We have nothing else to do. It's trippy as shit.
Damn, look at that.
Yo, when there's no cars, come drive on that side so I can record.
I'm gonna fly.
I want to see this nigga.
What are you gonna do, nigga?
No, like no, wait for the car to go and then go that way.
This car's about to,
That nigga ain't scared of shit. He's a big ass bird.
Dog. Yo, I can't believe that just happened.
So put the window down.
Oh my god, so
Don't
you're
put the
so
window down,
fascinated with
Yo,
this.
that is
no.
a vulture, dude.
Yeah,
That's a big ass one.
bullshit,
Come
son.
back around, dude. Go
Alright, bet.
watch.
That's crazy, though. Animalistic like that shit.
Yo, this is trippy ass shit, dude.
Crazy ass bird, nigga.
This is bird, dude.
Oh shit!
You
What
fucking
is
dead squirrels. It's just
The
gross,
school
dude.
bus is about to run through that bitch.
that?
The school bus is coming.
Oh shit.
Damn, and then another animal's gonna come.
Yo, this is fucking trippy, dude. Why is this bird doing this?
That's the school bus, bro.
You're recording.
Just can't even park here, dog.
Yeah.
I know, but they're not gonna come out, dude.
Get this nigga. Just hold it.
Yo, that's just weird.
Yo.
This is like a flying.
Dude, about to kill us, dude.
Dog.
Yo, nah! Take this, dude. Record it. We gotta fly right now. Let's go out to
Oh
it.
my god, I would straight zip I would fucking get in my turn.
I want to see if it's gonna eat this. Dude, it's looking at us right now, you know, right?
Yeah.
It's looking?
'Cause look, that's the way they look at people. Like, they have to be like this and they see this.
Like the biggest bird I've ever seen. Nah, I seen an ostrich.
Yo, dog, he's like
This
sidestepping.
nigga's such a silent ninja. This is a silent ninja. A
Yo, if
flying
we
ninja.
get out, you think that nigga will hit us?
No, dog, he would, dog.
Oh!
Dog, those animals are aggressive, dude.
He'd peck at your head, dog. You'd bleed.
Do I
How do you
record
get
it?
killed?
You get oh, this nigga flies!
What the fuck?
Oh!
Whoa.
Dude, its wings are huge.
It's about to just come back, dude.
Oh my
Alright.
god. We out of
Yo,
here.
there it is.
It's about to come back, right?
Where is that?
Yeah, it's flying back.
It's gonna fly right back. to
Flying
the
back,
front.
dog. Oh my god.
This is trippy as shit, dude.
What if it starts circling the car?
We're
It's
here
up
watching
there,
this
dude.
shit.
Dude, look, it's just chilling up there until the cars gotta come back and eat it.
Where is it now? It's right there.
Gotta come eat it, dude. Watch.
Come back.
The trippy ass fucking day, dude. This is way better than school. We're learning so much more, dude.
This nigga's a big bird, dog.
Look, see how it's just like guarding the territory? Like, it's just doing a big ass circle around the thing. It's trippy.
You should park in front of that green car.
Let's get out.
Where do you guys want to go?
Let's get out and hide behind it.
I'm not gonna get out with that bird out, dude. It's just gonna like eat us and try to
What is
kill
this
us.
nigga doing?
This
I
nigga,
don't know.
this nigga about to be like,
Maybe you been here too long.
What the fuck? What's that nigga doing? I'm gonna run the squirrel. I'm gonna piss on the squirrel, dude.
piss on that shit. The bird will bite your dick off, nigga. This nigga be like, you fuck up my lunch, nigga.
That's trippy. River bird, dude. This is trippy, bro.
Yo, I like the big bird in Kanye's music video.
Dude, I thought it was like a rooster at first.
I know that's a big ass
That's what I
chicken.
thought, dog.
Yeah, I was like, yo, how did this get here? Like, why is there a chicken? Walk around.
Chicken, dude.
Yeah, let's do this shit.
Are we leaving? Alright.
Yo, second, you're too fascinated, dog.
Hell yeah.
That shit is
Yo, that's some good footage.
Hell yeah, dog. Put that on my YouTube channel, man. Now I have 2 videos.